Hello friends, myself Sundeep Duggal. In my last class I told you how to open AutoCAD application, and today we shall discuss the graphic screen of AutoCAD. Friends, the screen which is visible to us in black color is called graphic screen. There is no limit of a drawing size in AutoCAD. We can make a drawing of practically any size in CAD. But one thing is for sure, that whatever drawing we make will be drawn in this much of area only. So this is called your graphic screen. But how do we make a bigger size drawing? I mean, I'm saying that we can make any kind of drawing. So how do we manage to make a big drawing inside this much of area only? I'll show you with a sample file. I have this file which is an industrial layout. It is a big area. AutoCAD has got a very powerful zoom feature in it, like the same feature that we have in our mobile camera and cameras, etc. It has got such a powerful zoom feature that we can magnify the things up to 100 and 1000 times. You can see as I'm using my scroll button, I can blow up the things, I can zoom it up, and I can get into much of details like this. So this feature enables us to see the detail and depth of the drawing. That way it is possible for us to make any kind of drawing, any size of drawing. It may be a part of a machine, it may be a complete machine, it may be a industry, it may be the complete industrial area, or it may be the entire town as well. So there is no limit of a drawing size. We can make a drawing of virtually any size. The next thing comes in is that whenever we start with AutoCAD, by default we get to see this screen in black color. So if you want to change the color for your graphic screen, you have to perform simple steps. We shall right click on the graphic screen. A cursor menu appears. Down the bottom in the last we have options. Click on options. You will see another dialog box appears. There are so many settings in this dialog box: files, display, OpenSave, etc. I'll go on the second option, that is display. Click on display. Thereafter go and click on colors. Then we have another dialog box coming up. We have this thing, uniform background. By default the uniform background is set to black color. I'll go and change it to white color. Click on apply and close, and then apply and OK. So you'll see now that the color of the graphic screen is now changed to white. So that way the default color is black, but you can change the color up to your convenience. So today we learnt about graphic screen and changing the color for the graphic screen. I shall be covering more elements of the graphic interface in my next class. I request you to please stay connected with me from start till end. I shall be covering the entire AutoCAD all along. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.